Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try to do a Loc Tour. Okay, so this is my first Loc Tour. I've seen it done on YouTube a little bit. I tried to do my thing. I filmed my Loc footage, my Loc Tour footage, and I'm just gonna be talking over it now because I wanted to have a little bit of a narration and talk to you guys about what I'm seeing and what is happening. So let's get started. So pretty much I really tried to show how my hair is now, how it's looking a little bit after 2.5 years with the adventures that I've had in 2021 mainly, and how it's held up grid wise, lock integrity wise, and also uniformity wise. Like, one of the things that I really liked about Sisterlocks was how uniform the locks looked on people when I was researching it. So how my hair is looking, if it's uniform, if my grid is holding up. And also I really wanted to show my problematic locks, but the two that she showed me, I couldn't find them to show you guys. We'll go with the footage I have. So let's do that. So here we have the back of my hair, and of course I'm always wearing this thing. This is my go-to style. And I've never shown like the locks from the back, how they look. And I wanted to see if there was a lot of lint. And I was like, it's not, there's a little lint, but it's not bad. It's not as bad as I thought. So these are my locks in the back. These are actually, I think, my smallest locks. And this is me removing my top knot. And I have to say, my hair is a few weeks post retightening. I'm scheduled to retighten my hair at the end of the month of October. And this is filmed in the beginning of October. And now I am trying to get to my middle part. I don't think I was successful here. This is not my middle part, but I think I'm gonna be correcting that a little bit later. Here's me separating two locks that were marrying. It was just one strand of hair, so it's not bad. And I think we can also see that my hair is not clean. Hopefully, not really, but I didn't wash my hair before doing this. So this is what I thought was my middle part, but it's not my middle part. And you can see my elastic on my arm. I'm still using those rubber bands that you find in your hair packs. You know, I'm still using those. I really like them. So I tried to do the middle part from the back. I didn't have any help to film this, but you can see a little bit of my hair, how soft and how fine my hair is in the back. I think you can see that. How the locks are looking. Like the lower rows near my neck, my hair is super fine there and very soft. Okay, so now this is me correcting my middle part. realizing it wasn't really right. And what I can say is, really, even though I'm still that girl who doesn't do a lot with her hair, I don't style it, I don't fuss with it, I'm really enjoying this journey so much more than my natural hair journey. Okay, so this is my middle part. It looks pretty straight to me. Like, this is hair that needs to be retightened. It really doesn't look bad. And this is me trying to show how my locks look and how my ends are still curly, of course. This is, most of my ends look like this. And this is how my locks look mainly. And I'm gonna be trying to show the grid, how the grid is doing. Grid is doing pretty good. I was really worried because my hair was retightened by brand new trainees while I was doing this, while I was going through this situation when my loctician was unavailable. I had to use brand new trainees, and I noticed that some of my parts are not super straight, but it's not irreparable. You know, you can still, I know my loctician, she can still fix that. So I'm gonna be seeing her at the end of the month. Actually, the person replacing her works with her, so I think I'm going to be seeing her, even though she's not going to be really doing my hair because she's not fully recovered. She'll be able to see how my hair is doing and what it's looking like. So I really can't wait for that. I'm really excited. Well, I don't know, actually. I don't know if she's going to be there. I'm just hoping she'll be there. So yeah, this is another side, trying to show a little bit of my grid. Like I said, I was worried, but I think my grid is doing pretty well. Can we see bad locks from this footage? I didn't find them. The locks that were really in bad shape, I couldn't find them. Because I know that there was one on this side that she showed me, but I can't find it. Maybe I should have been more patient and done row by row, but I didn't think it would be interesting to show you my hair row by row. So that's why I didn't do it. Okay, so I flipped my hair now to show you my locks in the back because they're really different. And my locks in the back, even though my hair is really soft and fine there, I think you can see the curls. They're so much more locked than the other ones. Probably because, you know, this is where I sleep. This is where my hair rubs against my clothes, my shoulders. So I'm trying to show you guys that my ends are locked. And if you look at a lock right next to it, this one, my ends are not locked yet, but it's coming along better than the other locks in the front because I felt the bud where I couldn't feel the bud in my other locks. And this one you can see, or maybe you can't not see, this is an example of my locks with fatter ends. So these were super curly, and then when they locked, the locks were a little fat. And I'm trying to get closer for you guys to see the base and how uniform the lock is locking. It's okay. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. And this one is a really thin lock. I don't think I filmed that properly, so we can't see that. But I was trying to show how small the base was. Okay, so while I'm not realizing that I'm not properly situated, we can see a little bit more of my locks in the back. So this is another one with a very small base, and it's locking with fat ends. And here I'm too close to the camera again. I will readjust in a few seconds. But you can see, I think this is a good angle just to see how much of those very fine locks I have in the back. Like that one there on the right, that one, very thin. Yeah, I have a couple like that. This is how my hair is quote unquote problematic there. But you can see how curly my hair is in the back. So this is how my hair is looking in that section. But I haven't lost a lock. And so my problem area with my locks is not my crown, because my crown is doing really well. My problem area with my locks is my nape this time. So this is how my crown is doing. Very consistent. Nothing thinning, nothing too thin. Those locks are doing really well. And you can see the grays, of course. When I'm sitting at this distance from my camera, you can't really see, but up close, you can see my grays are coming in, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be doing with my hair. If I'm gonna be dyeing it, I really don't know. Okay, so this is another section that I want to show how my hair is locking in the front. I show my front locks a lot when I'm doing my updates, so this is nothing new for you guys. So now I'm trying to pull on a few of my locks from the back to show my hair while it's stretched. I haven't done this. Okay, so I only pulled one lock. So this is me. If I pull my lock, I'm a little bit past armpit length, just a little bit above bra strap, which I've never been able to reach before. And it's amazing because you don't walk around pulling your locks, but even if it's not pulled, the length is really good to me. After 2.5 years, my hair grew nicely. I'm really happy. This is again me trying to show my grid. Of course, I did my Loc Tour when my hair wasn't freshly retightened. But I have a little bit of a footage of my hair when it was freshly retightened. I might put it in contrast with this one just to show you guys. So that's it. That's it. I don't know how interesting or how useful this Loc Tour that I tried to do was. I still wanted to have footage of my hair all around and for myself, and also on my channel just for people researching Sisterlocks, because I feel like it's useful. In any case, I thought that the women who did take the time to make videos and share, it was really helpful. So I hope that this is also helpful. So if you guys have any questions about my hair, about my Loc Tour, about the health of my hair, don't hesitate. If you have a question or if you have comments, I'm really open to hearing what you guys have to say. I really love the community. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm really happy I was able to film this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.